Top Stories is brought to you by Dawakhana, Gandhinagar, Jammu. The 300-kilometer-long Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, the only weather road connecting Kashmir Valley with the rest of the country, was closed again on Wednesday due to fresh landslides triggered by rain and snowfall since early this morning. The Met has forecast widespread rain and snow in Jammu and Kashmir during the next 48 hours till Friday. Air traffic at Srinagar International Airport was disrupted on Wednesday due to poor visibility following cloudy sky and rain since morning. An official of airport said that one flight from Delhi has been suspended while 4 others are delayed. He said due to poor visibility, no flight could take off or land at Srinagar Airport today. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister and PDP leader Mehbooba Mufti on Wednesday insulted celebrated Indian Army officer Major Rohit Shukla, saying that the officer tortured a J&K youth while probing a matter. Shortly after visiting the SMHS hospital in Pulwama, where the youth is being treated, Mufti said that the man was thrashed and asked to pose with a gun on his shoulder by Shukla. What kind of a soldier is he? A soldier who is torturing his own kids, the children of Jammu and Kashmir, Mufti said.
और मेजर शुक्ला ने इसको आर्मी कैंप में बुला के ले गए, जैसे कि बता रहा था। वहाँ आपने देखा इसकी इतनी पिटाई हुई है और इसको ये कहा गया है कि आप गले में बंदूक डाल दो और हम आपकी फोटो लेना चाहते हैं। अगर आप बंदूक नहीं डालेंगे तो मैं अपनी बंदूक डाल के आपका एनकाउंटर कर दूंगा। तो मेरा ये मानना है कि मेजर शुक्ला के बारे में ये बताया जाता है कि वो बहुत ही बहादुर सिपाही है। तो ये कैसा सिपाही है जो इतना ऐसा है कि अपने ही बच्चों को तो ये कैसा सिपाही है जो इतना ऐसा है कि अपने ही बच्चों को तो ये कैसा सिपाही है जो इतना ऐसा है कि अपने ही बच्चों को हमारे यहाँ जम्मू कश्मीर के रहने वाले लड़कों के साथ इतनी ज्यादा ज्यादती और जुल्म करके उसको तो बहादुरी नहीं कहते हैं।
3 soldiers are being questioned over their possible involvement in leaking information about the movement of their colleague Aurangzeb, who was abducted and killed by terrorists in South Kashmir last year. Army officials, they made it clear the soldiers in question have neither been detained nor arrested so far. Jammu and Kashmir Governor Satyapal Malik today said that nobody should take former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti's statement seriously, as per PDP was breaking up and she was trying to save the party by commenting against the forces and India's political system.
इस वक्त चुनाव का वक्त है, वो महसूस उनकी पार्टी टूट रही, काफ़ी ख़राब हाल में है और वो बेसिकली इसी किस्म की सपोर्ट से ताकत में आई थी। इसलिए वो बोल रही हूँ कि ज़्यादा सीरियसली लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं आपको।
2 CRPF jawans were injured after terrorists hurled grenades on the 18th Battalion of the forces in Kulgam. The constables sustained splinter injuries in leg and were immediately shifted to the hospital. Following the blast, security forces have launched a hunt to nab the attackers. Rain and fresh snowfall started in Jammu and Kashmir on Wednesday as the Met forecast inclement weather during the next 48 hours till Friday. There have been night-long rains in the Jammu division, while fresh snowfall occurred in the Kashmir mountains, including on the Pir Panjal range. In the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections this year, BJP State President Ravinder Raina today launched Bharat Ki Man Ki Baat Modi Ke Saath, a video rath at its headquarters in Trikuta Nagar, Jammu. This is a campaign to engage the people in crafting the agenda for the next 5 years and to collate their expectations and suggestions, making it the largest ever collaborative effort to define the vision for the future of a country. India's latest communication satellite GSAT-31 was successfully launched by European launch service provider Arianespace rocket from French Guiana in early hours of Wednesday. The GSAT-31 is a high-power communication satellite with Ku band, and it is going to serve and replace some of the satellites that are going to expire soon. Congress President Rahul Gandhi on Wednesday reiterated his promise of giving minimum universal basic income for the poor if his party voted to power at the centre, saying he is committed to his word. The Gandhi scheme claimed that be it Prime Minister Narendra Modi or Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, they were running their respective governments for their rich friends. One terrorist was killed in a brief gunfight with a joint team of the Indian Army, CRPF and SOG at Chakura area of Litter in South Kashmir's Pulwama district on Wednesday. The security forces have cordoned off Chakura area. The body of the terrorist was recovered from the encounter site along with a weapon.